that's real good. They'd fix it, wouldn't they?
Yeah.
Well, why are you so worried?
Depends.
Stupid Hale.
They'll write it off.
Well, then you don't have to pay for it.